Hey, what's good, y'all? C-Will here with the Passive Income Network, tapping in to talk to you about XDC Network. This crypto right here is set to explode. So let's go over here, check out this article written about a year and a half ago, and we're seeing that things are coming to fruition, things are popping up, and things is looking great. Let's check it out. Global trade finance in the XDC network. This is a follow-up to a previous article about global trade and finance. So this is a follow-up piece here. But essentially, let's jump down here and talk about trade finance and supply chain. Okay. We're talking about with the contracts right here, acceleration of exporters, one contract to the importers. You got issuing banks, lines of credit. This is a letter of credit workflow. And what I think is explosive, it's kind of funny, but Gary Gensler's in here. Of course, XRP just won the SEC case. But this is about the way the process and these smart contracts and things work. So imagine this on a global scale. And do you see in that XDC is being mentioned? XDC has the ability to tokenize assets, issuance. You see right here, XDC networks. You got qualified investors, advising banks. They're positioning themselves to work. Another ISO 220, a cryptocurrency like Algorand, like XRP, IOTA, XLM. Just want to put this on your radar. Trade asset tokenization platform. Just pay attention to XDC. I made a video recently as well that would show you what's popping off with XDC on one of my Algorand XDC panels. Now I have the XDC chart pulled up. Let's bust out a Fibonacci from the low. We'll break it down to the high of 19 cents, essentially a low of 0.003 cents. So XDC is looking actually very healthy, right under the 23.6 Fibonacci line on the monthly chart. Let's go to the weekly. If we look at the weekly chart, yep, you can see here. And then we're going to go into the day chart. I just want to show you each one of these time frames, so that way we can identify kind of what's going on. And it's looking like we want to test. We want to test over the 5 cent. So if XDC, in my opinion, can get over 5 cent, I think it's game time, y'all. So on the day chart, it's looking like it's choppy. This is all chops here. It looked like it did not too much action. So let's go down to the 30-minute chart. Got some gaps in there of the prices. That probably a sign of that it might need a little bit more liquidity. Get the 1 hour chart. Stick with the day, one of my big time frames. But overall, the target for me here, for me here is to catch these levels. This is the levels that we really want to see, which means to get to these levels, XRP, in my opinion, would have to cross over this 23.6 Fibonacci. And if it can clear this white line I've drawn, it can definitely get up into the 10 cent range, which will bring it closer to potentially to be able to reach all-time highs. But with the XRP case and things of that nature popping off, this looks like it's going to be a strong chart. Putting it on a watch list, and definitely if it breaks the 4.5, it's in my opinion, going to 7 cent. All right, y'all. That's the price prediction. That's the info. Let me know what you think in the comments. C-Will with Passive Income Network. I'm gone.